In this video, I'm going to show you how I fixed the Canon PIXMA G3416 error P07, also known as support code 5B00 or ink absorber full. If your printer is blocked and showing this error, follow these steps carefully. Symptoms. First, this is the problem. The printer turns on, shows the error code, and refuses to print. This means the internal waste ink sponge is counted as full and the printer has locked itself for protection. Safety and tools. Before we start, unplug the power cable, wear gloves if you have them, and protect your table with paper or plastic. We will only use basic tools like tissue paper or paper towels and a small screwdriver if needed. Step 1. Clean the sponge. With the printer unplugged, open the covers and carefully access the waste ink sponge at the bottom of the printer. Gently press the sponge with tissue or paper towels and remove as much excess ink as possible. Do not damage the sponge. If you remove it to wash with water, make sure it is completely dry before you put it back. Step 2. Enter service mode. Now plug the printer back in. To enter service mode on the Canon G3416, turn the printer off. Press and hold the stop or reset button, then press and hold the power button. When the power light turns on, release only the stop button. Now press and release the stop button 5 times, and then release the power button. The green light should stay on. This means the printer is in service mode. Step 3. Reset the waste ink counter. With the printer in service mode and connected by USB to the computer, run the service tool or reset software that supports the G3416. Select the waste ink or ink absorber option and click Set to reset the counter. The printer will click and may print a small page. Step 4. Test. Now turn the printer off and then on again normally. The error code should be gone and the printer should be ready to print. Print a test page to confirm everything is working. Outro. That's how I fixed the Canon G3416 P07 5B00 ink absorber full error by cleaning the sponge and resetting the waste ink counter. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more IT and printer troubleshooting guides.